The robot vacuum market is booming, and for good reason. These little helpers promise to keep our floors clean with minimal effort. The Narwhal Froz enters the arena with some serious claims, boasting innovative features and top-tier performance. Over the next few sections, we'll break it all down, exploring its pros, cons, and how it stacks up against the competition. First, let's talk about the awards. The Narwhal Froz has been recognized for its exceptional obstacle avoidance capabilities and its pet-friendly design. These accolades are not just for show. They highlight the vacuum's advanced technology and thoughtful engineering. But what exactly makes it stand out in a crowded market? One of the standout features is its advanced sensor system. The Narwhal Froz is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors that allow it to navigate around obstacles with ease. Whether it's furniture, toys, or even pets, this vacuum can handle it all without getting stuck or causing damage. The competition in the robot vacuum market is fierce, with many brands offering a variety of features and price points. However, the Narwhal Froz sets itself apart with its unique combination of performance, design, and user-friendly features. It's not just about cleaning, it's about making your life easier. Imagine coming home to a clean house without lifting a finger. The Narwhal Froz takes care of the dirty work, allowing you to spend more time doing what you love. Its automatic return to the charging dock ensures it's always ready for the next cleaning session. The design of the Narwhal Froz is both sleek and functional. Its low profile allows it to clean under furniture, while its powerful suction ensures no dirt is left behind. The innovative design also includes a user-friendly interface, making it easy to set up and operate. In our detailed comparison, we'll look at how the Narwhal Froz stacks up against other leading models. We'll examine its strengths and weaknesses, and help you decide if it's the right choice for your home. From battery life to cleaning efficiency, we'll cover it all. So, get ready to see if the Narwhal Froz is the cleaning companion you've been waiting for. Stay tuned as we put this innovative robot vacuum to the test and see if it truly delivers on its promises. First impressions? This thing looks. The Narwhal Froz boasts a sleek modern design that screams premium, but it's not just about looks. This robot vacuum packs some serious hardware. At its core lies a powerful motor and a unique tapered brush roll designed to tackle everything from dust bunnies to pet hair. The dual-camera obstacle avoidance system is front and center, promising to navigate your home with ease. And let's not forget the auto-empty station. This bad boy doesn't just charge the Froz, it also washes and dries those mop pads. Talk about convenience. Alright, let's talk performance. The Narwhal Froz robot vacuum is not just another cleaning gadget, it's a game-changer in home maintenance. In our tests, the Narwhal Froz truly impressed. It didn't just meet our expectations, it exceeded them in every way. From the moment we set it up, it was clear that this device was designed with user convenience and efficiency in mind. Its mopping capabilities are top-notch, easily tackling dried spills and leaving floors sparkling clean. Whether it was sticky juice stains or muddy footprints, the Froz handled it all with ease, making it perfect for households with kids or pets. The obstacle avoidance system? It actually works. Unlike other models that often get stuck or miss spots, the Froz navigated our test environment flawlessly. It avoided obstacles like chair legs, table corners, and even small toys scattered around. This thing effortlessly navigated around furniture, stray toys, and even our resident office dog. It was fascinating to watch it adapt to different challenges, proving that it's more than capable of handling a real-world home environment. Sweeping and vacuuming performance were also excellent on hard floors, picking up everything in its path. From fine dust to larger debris, the Froz left no trace behind, ensuring that your floors are spotless. Battery life is another strong point, providing ample cleaning time on a single charge. We found that it could easily handle a large apartment or a medium-sized house without needing a recharge. And if you do need to juice up, the fast charging capabilities get you back up and running in no time. In just a short period, the Froz is ready to tackle more cleaning tasks, minimizing downtime. Managing the Froz is a breeze with its feature-rich app, allowing for customized cleaning schedules, multi-level mapping, and even no-go zones. The app interface is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to set up and control the vacuum from anywhere. You can even monitor its progress in real time, ensuring that every corner of your home is covered. Plus, with smart notifications, you'll always be in the loop about the Froz's status. Whether it's time to empty the dustbin or if the vacuum has completed its cleaning cycle, you'll get timely updates right on your phone. The no-go zones feature is particularly useful for keeping the Froz out of areas you want to remain untouched. Simply draw virtual boundaries in the app, and the Froz will respect them, ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience. Overall, the Narwhal Froz robot vacuum is a stellar performer that brings convenience, efficiency, and smart technology into your home. It's a worthy investment for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. Now, no product is perfect, and the Narwhal Froz does have a couple of minor drawbacks. While it excels on hard floors, its carpet-deep cleaning performance was a tad underwhelming compared to some competitors. The unique tapered brush roll, while great for most debris, seemed to struggle a bit with embedded dirt in carpets. We also noticed some slightly erratic behavior in our enclosed testing environments. It occasionally bumped into walls more than expected, although this wasn't a significant issue in real-world settings. It's worth noting that the Froz is a relatively new product, so there's always a chance for early adopter hiccups. So how does the Narwhal Froz stack up against the competition? In terms of features and performance, it's right up there with the big leagues. The combination of advanced mopping, obstacle avoidance, and the auto-empty station makes it a compelling choice, especially for pet owners. While it might not dethrone the reigning champions in every category, the Froz's competitive pricing and innovative features make it a serious contender. Its focus on smart features and ease of use makes it particularly appealing to tech-savvy consumers looking for a truly automated cleaning solution. Section 6. Should you take the plunge? The Narwhal Froz is a powerful, feature-packed robot vacuum that delivers on its promises. Its advanced mopping capabilities, impressive obstacle avoidance system, and user-friendly app make it a fantastic choice for many households. While it may not be the absolute best in every single category, its overall performance and competitive pricing make it an incredibly compelling option. If you're a pet owner tired of constantly battling fur or simply seeking a truly intelligent cleaning companion, the Narwhal Froz deserves a serious look. Its combination of cutting-edge technology and user-centric design might just make it the ultimate time-saving addition to your smart home. Section 7. Beyond the Horizon. Future of Froz. As with any new technology, the future of the Narwhal Froz is brimming with possibilities. Software updates could further refine navigation and potentially address the minor carpet cleaning shortcomings we observed. We're excited to see how Narwhal continues to innovate and improve upon this already impressive platform. Imagine a future where the Froz can empty its own dustbin, recognize and avoid pet messes, or even respond to voice commands. The potential for even greater automation and intelligence is vast, and we're eager to witness the evolution of this exciting new player in the robot vacuum market. Section 8. Conclusion. A new era of clean. The Narwhal Froz isn't just another robot vacuum, it's a glimpse into the future of home cleaning. Imagine a world where your floors are always spotless without you having to lift a finger. The Narwhal Froz makes this dream a reality with its state-of-the-art technology and sleek design. It's not just about cleaning, it's about transforming the way we think about household chores. With its combination of powerful performance, innovative features, and user-friendly design, it's clear that Narwhal is onto something special. The Froz navigates effortlessly across different surfaces, adapting to each one with precision. Its sensors detect obstacles and adjust its path, ensuring a thorough clean every time. The ease of use is unparalleled. Simply set it up, and let it do the work for you. While no product is perfect, the Froz's strengths far outweigh its minor weaknesses, making it a compelling choice for a wide range of consumers. Families, busy professionals, and even tech enthusiasts will find something to love about this innovative device. Its ability to navigate around furniture and reach those hard-to-clean spots is particularly impressive, making it a versatile addition to any home. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more intelligent and capable robot vacuums to emerge. The Narwhal Froz is just the beginning. Imagine a future where your home is equipped with a fleet of smart devices, all working together to keep your living space pristine. The possibilities are endless, and the Froz is paving the way for this exciting future. But for now, the Narwhal Froz stands tall as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets practicality. Its ability to combine cutting-edge technology with everyday usability sets it apart from the competition. Whether you're looking for a reliable cleaning solution or a glimpse into the future of smart home devices, The Froz delivers on all fronts. So ditch the dustpan and embrace the future of clean with the Narwhal Froz. It's time to say goodbye to the old ways of cleaning and welcome a new era where technology takes care of the hard work for you. The Narwhal Froz is more than just a vacuum, it's a revolution in home maintenance. Join the movement and experience the future of clean today. Section 9. Further exploration. Want to learn more about the Narwhal Froz? Check out the links in the description below for in-depth reviews, comparisons, and exclusive deals. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think about the future of robot vacuums.